What's up, Mixed Reaction fam? Back at y'all with some more
fire. We are back at you today with another great video. We have Neil Sedaka. Hopefully I'm saying that right.
Right.
Yeah.
Sedaka.
Singing Laughter in the Rain.
Okay.
Sounds like a whimsical song.
Well, we gonna see. But hopefully you guys are already locked in, subscribe to the channel. If not, go ahead and press the subscribe button. And also make sure you guys check out the link in the description below where you guys can find our couples channel.
Check us out, y'all.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Our teams to be alive tonight.
Strolling along country roads with my baby. It starts to rain, it begins to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver run up my spine. I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. After a while, we run under a train.
Okay, background.
This could have been on Crooklyn.
There with the beat of the rain on the leaves, soft as she breathes, and I close my eyes, sharing our love under stormy skies. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love.
Okay.
How I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Play it for me.
Song you listen to when it's raining outside. And inside with the one you love, just listen to the rain fall.
I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love.
Okay.
I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Do it again. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, I love the rainy days and the
Really, that's what I was thinking. Happy.
I feel inside. I'm feeling happy inside. Feeling happy inside.
Background was killer. Sedaka.
What a nice, lovely,
Happy
in love,
song.
yes. This is like, this could work for any movie, just like any young love, like even kids running around just playing, you know, things like that.
It's just happy times. Like I said, just in the house, just listening to the rain, playing this, sipping some tea or cocoa or something. Just
Some of your parents be listening to, dancing and stuff.
yeah. Shout out to Neil Sedaka. That's the first time we've ever heard anything from him.
Inside.
Like, I probably say with the one I love.
Yeah, walking hand in, yeah.
I like that. But what?
You make me laugh.
hopefully you guys enjoyed the video as much as we did. If you did, leave us a big fat like, thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Get in the mix, y'all.
You ready?
Yes.